Next, in JavaScript, we are going to do arrays. So here we are creating a file. I'm naming it as array2.html. This is our HTML file, and one more file, a JavaScript file related to it, array2.js. So here we have created two files. In array2.html, it's our emmet code, and here we are linking this file with our JavaScript file. So script src equals to name of the file should be array2.html, array2.js. Save it. Now in array2.js, here we are going to declare array. So here first of all I'm using let keyword to declare array. Let, here name of array is arr, and equals to, within this array I'm putting value. I'm giving 12, 23, 45, 56, 79, 89. So here I have given values inside array. Another way, we are using const keyword. Const name of array is arr1 equals to, here I'm giving values like 1 within double quotes, comma, again 2, comma, 3, comma, 4, comma, and last value here we are giving is 5. And one more array we are declaring with let only, let keyword. Name of this array is arr2 equals to, and here within square bracket I'm giving mixture of these numeric values and strings. Here I'm giving roll number is 1, name of the person is Rohan, phone number is 12345, and country is India. So here we have declared three arrays with let and const keyword. First array is arr, second is arr1, and third one is arr2. Now if we want to print all the elements of this arr, so for that, console.log, it is going to print on console. Here we are going to put arr. So it is going to print all the elements of this array. So inspect, and here we can see that it has printed all the elements of array. Along with that, it is showing the length of the array is 6. Now if we don't want to print all the elements, we just want to print two elements of array, console.log, and here I'm doing arr. I want to print element at index position 1, that is going to be 23, and second I want to print element at index position 5. Save it, and again we can see that it has printed element at index position 1 is 23 and second one is 89, which was at index position 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, if you want to print array 1, for that, console.log, and here we can print arr1. This is going to print all the elements of array 1. So here we can see that it has printed all the elements of array 1, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if you want to get the length of this array, so console.log, here we can say arr1 dot length, and save it, and it is going to show us the length of array as 5. So this is the length of array. Now if we want to print array 3, that means array 2, this array, then console.log, and here it is arr2. This is going to print all the elements of array 2. So here it has printed all the elements of array 2. Now in array 2, if instead of Rohan we want to print Sohan, so we can change it like this. arr2, index position of that element is 1, and at that position we want to insert Sohan. And then we are going to print that array again, console.log, and here it is arr2. Save it, and here we can see that it has printed Sohan instead of Rohan. So next we want to pop an element out of that array. Popping always done from the last element. Like here, if we want to pop from this array, it will remove this 5. Last element will be popped. So arr, name of that array is arr1 dot pop. And if we print that array, console.log, here we are giving general message popped, comma, and here now if you want to print that array, arr1 is the name of array, save. So it is going to remove this 5 from that array. So here we can see that it has printed 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is popped out. Similarly, push, if you want to means if you want to put an element into that array like arr1, if you want to push, so arr1 dot, when we push some element into an array, it will be at the top. Like instead of 5, it will come pushed element. Here I am putting 6. So 6 will come at top and 5 will be gone because it is popped out. Now if we print this array, console.log, and here we say pushed, comma, and here we are going to print this array arr1, save. So here we can see that it printed this array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is popped out and 6 is pushed in.